tiempo en el gusto del público. Creo que vamos con la número 7, que es también de Chile, La Tercera, el periódico La Tercera de Santiago de Chile. Zane, will you mind taking care of this?
No, it's all.
Hello guys, welcome to Colombia.
Lucky.
You started the band when you were less than 20 years old. Which musical groups and artists did you look up to? What has influenced you?
I think the thing is with us is we've all got completely different musical influences. Like now listens to more like guitar based, like rock, like old school music. I listen to more like R&B. Harry listens to a bit of everything, and then it all kind of just comes together.
I don't listen to it. Nah, I don't really like it.
Yeah, Louis doesn't listen to any music at all. And yeah, that's why I kind of think it works. Being involved in influence by different kind of genres.
Zane, you actually influenced me, I suppose.
Did I?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I love you, Zane.
You influenced me.
You call man.
You are my friend.
Bueno, quienes nos han influenciado musicalmente, muchas influencias de diversos tipos. Número 8 de Brasil.
Whoa. Hi guys.
Hello.
Hello.
What is the project are you doing to continue your success and conquer the career?
Sorry.
What is the project are you doing to continue your success for many years and the eternal career?
Well, I think that, like I say, the main thing for us is writing music. Like we work very hard to make sure that every year we establish a different sound for ourselves rather than just sticking to the same old stuff. And I think a lot of bands in the past, in other respects, kind of stuck with the same sort of thing, whereas, we know our fans are growing up around the same time that we are, and we know the things that we listen to are the same things that they listen to, so it just kind of coincides with each other that we have to make the music that grows with the band.
I thought that was an absolute, unbelievable answer. Honestly. Give me your best work, man.
A couple dictionaries. I've been studying.
Come on, Pedro.
Yo entendí como el 15% de lo que se dijo en esta conversación. Pero bueno. La pregunta siguiente es del periódico Folha de São Paulo, brasileiros.
Hello guys.
Hello. Mike, can you... This is for you, Mike, I guess.
I'm here.
If you need me, I'm next to you. Just,
Yeah.
just give me a holler.
Well, so, here. We know you are into music since your childhood. How do you compare your life after and before the fame? What have changed?
Yeah, I said it when actually, in our movie I said it, we're just normal guys, as you can probably see, stupid boys, just
Speak for yourself.
So we're just normal boys doing like an abnormal job, not a lot of people get to do this, and that's why we take it under our wing and we just run with it. We're having a great time, and yeah, obviously life was a lot different back at home. First of all, we moved to London, which is probably one of the biggest cities in the world. That was a big change because all of us are from small towns, and I'm not even from England, so yeah, things like that were great. Honestly, I'm not even English. It's mad, isn't it? You don't think so? But yeah, life is obviously a lot different, but we're having a great time. And look where we are. We're on the other side of the world doing a show. It's great.
¿Qué ha cambiado en los últimos 4 años? Le preguntaron para ustedes en cuanto a este éxito, y nadie les explica que, bueno, ha sido dice, como pueden ver, somos un grupo muy joven. No voy a repetir la palabra que uso para describirse.